think digestion happens only at our stomach region. No. 40% of our digestion, it happens in the way we chew the food. Or maybe we can say, advantage of the Indian system is that, we smash the food using those forceps. Some of them, they use forceps, but we use the forceps, the fingers. So first smashing of the food happens over here. And then we take it and we put it over here. And then here, this is the grinder, the mixie, whatever you call it as. So this is being designed to reduce all those things into a liquid form or a semi-solid form. I'm not supposed to gulp my food. Very important. Take time. Don't be in a hurry to eat, because 40% of your digestion first happens over here. Saliva is the God-given nectar. And enough saliva has to go through the entire food, and I have to mix it up. So take small quantity of food. Don't take the large ones. Because when you take a large one, beyond a point, you will gulp it down. And the food, when you gulp it, then what has to be done by this particular region? This has been designed. It is hard. So anything which is hard, it can crush things, and it can, throw this down. And this region is there to receive it and just dissolve with whatever acid that is required. And then the intestine, it takes away. And from there, the intestine takes all that nutrient that is required, flows through the blood, and the blood circulates whatever is required to whichever region. So if I don't do this properly, 40% of the digestion, if I don't do this properly, stomach does another 40%. Now there is overload to the stomach if I don't do this properly. Now whatever the stomach does, it does. The remaining 20% is done by the intestine. And that is how the entire proper digestion happens. So when I say eat when you're hungry, and also slowly, relish. Rasichi, rusichi, nidanama, araga sapta, adu health. Lot of these diabetes, lot of these constipation issues, lot of these things you'll be able to resolve if only you can know how to just properly get your food and enjoy the food properly. Eat properly and enjoy the food properly. So, what is cooked happily, what is eaten happily, and what is served happily, that constitutes good health. So enjoy it and relish it.